Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In the previous video, we were discussing about the formatting tags and we saw how to bold, italic, make a text italic, how to underline. Then we saw the difference between bold and strong, emphasis and italic, etc. So now we are continuing with the other formatting tags in this video. So the next formatting tag what we are going to see is marked. So mark opening bracket, the opening tag will just have the keyword mark. The slash mark will be the closing tag. Whatever text content you are giving between the mark tag, it will be highlighted. Generally, it will be highlighted with a yellow color. So we'll see an example. So here HTML marked formatting. So in this marked formatting, this marked word alone I have given between the mark tag. Mark and slash mark I have given. So if you are looking at the output screen, this marked alone is highlighted. So if you want to have such highlighting, you have to use this mark tag. The next tag is small text. So comparing to the normal size, you want the text content to be somewhat very small, you can use this small tag. So whatever text content you are giving between the small and slash small will appear in a smaller size. That is the usage of small tag. So here I have used HTML small formatting. Small alone I have written between the small tag. So look at my output screen. The word small alone is relatively smaller, right? So this is called small tag. The next one is big formatting tag. This is supported only in HTML4. HTML5 is not supporting this big formatting tag. So comparing to the text, this big will be somewhat slightly big. If you are keenly observing, you can notice that it is slightly big. This is actually skipped in HTML5. You don't have this big tag in HTML5. Till HTML4 only they gave support for that. The next tag is delete tag. So del/del is the tag name. So in certain cases, you would like to intentionally strike out a text. So you have to write a text, you have to strike it, and that has to be appearing. Then in that scenario, you can use this delete tag. So here is an example. My favorite color is blue. Like that I have to write, I have to strike this blue, then I have to write red. So I have given this blue between this del tag. So del/del, between this I have given blue. So now look at my output. My favorite color is blue is typed, then it is striked over, then it is the next content is appearing. So this is called as delete tag. For intentional striking of text, you can use this delete tag. The next tag is insert tag. So insert tag will actually, it is similar to underline tag only. Whatever you are giving between ins and /ins, the content will be in an underlined form. So here I have given my favorite color is red. So the color alone I have written in between insert tag, ins and /ins. So look at this. My favorite color is red. So here the color is underlined with this line. So the next one is superscript and subscript. So if you want, what is meant by subscript? You are having normal text. Some text want to appear in the lower level. Then you call it as subscript. For example, log to the base 10, log to the base 2. Something in the base level you are writing, you call it as subscript. So subscript tag should be using the keyword sub. So whatever text you want to appear in the lower base level, that is subscript, like you want to make it appear, means you have to give the content between sub and /sub tag. So here is an example. This is subscripted text. This word subscripted alone I have given between sub and /sub. So look at the output. This is subscripted. So this subscripted alone is appearing in a base level, lower level. So this is called as subscript. Superscript means it will be appearing in the upper level. So you want to write something like power 5 power 20, something like that. In the power level, that is the topmost level you are writing, means you call it a superscript, and the tag used is sup and /sup. So in this example, this is a superscripted text. the superscripted word alone I have given between the tag sup and /sup. So look at my output. Comparing to this text level, for both subscript and superscript, the size will be reduced. If it is subscript, it will be in the lower level. If it is superscript, the text will be in the upper level. So here it is in the upper level. So this is the subscript and superscript tag. So we have covered most of the HTML formatting tags. Hope you understood this. And also you understood the difference between this bold, strong and italic and emphasis. So in the previous video we saw this, right? In the next video we'll be seeing the attribute tags. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you.